mind watching my dog for a second?
Sorry?
Your dog.
I don't have a dog. She's really cute though.
Thank you, ma'am.
I thought you just came out.
No, thank you. Have a good day. Whoa. Where's my dog? Where's my dog?
You came out and you said you didn't have a dog. And then you came out and you took her.
Literally, I asked you to watch my dog. I'm going into the store, and now she's not here. Like, where is she? Did you give her away? He took my dog? So you are telling the truth.
Yeah, there was like 2 other used.
I thought she gave away my dog.
No, she did. She got me.
I'm gonna go get her. Be careful. Be safe.